Is your lawn showing signs of stress? Or did your soil test reveal a potassium deficiency? I just received a new product from Greene County Fertilizer and I'm excited to show it to you all. 0025 GreeneKick. I think we should have a new pack called the Karate Pack with GreenePhite and GreeneKick. Ninja chop your lawn. What's going on, everybody? Chuck here, and I hope that you are having a fantastic day today. All season long, we've seen the comments, where's GreenePhite? We want GreenePhite. And to put it simply, GreenePhite just got too expensive to make. And so out goes GreenePhite and in comes GreeneKick. As I've continued to dive deeper into lawn knowledge, I learned that certain potassium products are really high in salt content. And while that's not totally a bad thing, it can dry things out in the soil, which actually helped me out last fall when I overwatered my lawn renovation. Using recommendations, I put out murate of potash, which does have a high salt content, which actually helped dry things out in the soil and help water move through the soil a little bit better, which overall has helped my lawn recover somewhat. The thing about GreeneKick is that it has a low salt index to avoid oversaturation in the soil. Potassium is the key element for the overall health of the plant. Speaking to us cool season folks here, if you have a potassium deficiency in your lawn, now's the time of year where it's gonna show. Your grass will also struggle to fight off disease if it doesn't have enough potassium. Potassium also assists in the recovery from stress and disease. So a product like GreeneKick is perfect this time of year, as many lawns, both cool season and warm season, are struggling to fight off heat stress and signs of disease from the higher humidity. Before we get into application rates and how to apply GreeneKick, why not go ahead and give this video a thumbs up? That would be fantastic. Now let's talk about how to apply GreeneKick. You're looking at anywhere from 2 to 5 ounces per thousand during the active growing season or during periods of stress. If your lawn is actually currently going through a stressful period, you can apply GreeneKick every 14 to 21 days. You want to make sure that you mix GreeneKick in with 1.5 gallons of water per 1,000 square feet. That is different than our usual products, which require 1 gallon of water per 1,000 square feet. If you're using a hose and sprayer, put in the appropriate amount of GreeneKick, 2 to 5 ounces per thousand, and get to spraying, as the hose and sprayer will mix it with enough water to properly dilute. If you're using a backpack or hand can sprayer, make sure you mix it with 1.5 gallons of water per 1,000 square feet. GreeneKick is also great for your landscape plants, flowers, those kind of things, and you can apply it via foliar or soil drench. Does GreeneKick need to be watered in, or can it be applied as a foliar application and be absorbed through the leaf tissue? You can actually do both. However, GreeneKick works best as a foliar application and being absorbed through the leaf tissue. The way I like to do that is I like to apply my products that need to be a foliar application the night before a watering cycle. So that way it has over 12 hours to go ahead and be absorbed through the leaf tissue, and then it gets watered in the next morning. You can do it that way. You can do it first thing in the morning, let it sit on the leaf tissue over the whole day. It's whatever you feel like doing. That is it for this video. If you all liked it, please give it a thumbs up, as that is what helps grow the channel. I will link to everything down in the description box below, how to purchase this product, reading materials on this product, which you can also find all that information on the Greene County Fertilizer website /DIY if you want to read up more. Anyway, I will see you all in the next video. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and God bless.